Hey everyone, welcome back to another PA automation tutorial. In this video, we're going to run through the grant revoke mailbox access in bulk automation in ConnectWise for a cloud hybrid client. So we can see we hit that prompt that PA has now suggested from reading the ticket details. We select the mailbox that we actually want to service. In this case, it is the all office staff mailbox. We then get produced a list of all the current permission levels of all the mailboxes in the environment. We see that the request actually states for us to remove all full access from office staff email, as we just did then. We hit go. He will then go through Exchange Online, run a few queries, and remove all these mailbox permissions. So just like that, you have now completed a bulk update of mailbox permissions. If you want to learn more about PIA, our automations, or our platform, feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. And apart from that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.